Hello, I'm Katrina, and we're here today to take a look at the Apeman C860. With 2K QHD, the Apeman C860 is currently the highest resolution dashcam in the Apeman lineup. The C860 is a well-built, high-resolution dashcam with a 2.7-inch HD LCD screen. The C860 records 2K QHD at 30 frames per second at the front and 1080p Full HD if you use the front and rear camera simultaneously. The C860 is very user-friendly. The 2.7-inch LCD widescreen is capable of picture-in-picture mode for real-time playback before and after road conditions. The 4 buttons on the right side make dashcam configuration and operation easy. Installation is also very straightforward. The C860 comes with both a suction cup and an adhesive mount, giving you the option between a strong set mount or a transient portable mount. The C860 is equipped with loop recording, motion detection, wide dynamic range, G-sensor, parking monitoring, and emergency accident lock that is standard in all Apeman dashcams. You also get the ability to take up to 12 megapixel still images and record in-car audio with the C860. The collision feature will lock the video loop when it detects a bump. The collision sensitivity is configurable so you don't have to record every pothole or speed bump you drive over. The motion detection feature will record incidents even when your car is parked. With the emergency accident lock feature, G-sensors automatically detect shake or collision and trigger the camera to start recording. These videos will be locked and won't be overwritten by the loop recording feature. With the C860, you only get a 150-degree wide-angle view, whereas older Apeman models will give you a 170-degree field of view. And thanks to the 2.0 USB port, you can quickly transfer the footage to your laptop, tablet, or hard disk. Some of the features that we can't wait to test out on the C860 include the front collision warning system and the lane departure warning system. Another interesting feature is the car light alert that will remind you to turn on your car lights when the ambient light is low. If parking monitoring is not your primary concern, then this model is a well-priced dashcam that has the main features you need to record the road ahead and behind. But if you need parking mode recording, then we strongly suggest you get the Celink Neo battery pack. The C860 also does not come with a stock microSD card, so you'll need to pick one up at checkout. The C860 supports up to 128 gigabytes. The C860 is now available at BlackboxMyCar. We will have more sample footage for you in the coming weeks, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our product experts at BlackboxMyCar today.